Hello, today we will guide you through how to save payment method on Zara. In this walkthrough, we'll securely store a payment method in your Zara account, so checkout is faster and more convenient the next time you shop. Have your preferred payment details ready, and make sure you're on a trusted, secure internet connection. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Zara Philippines website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the site for the Account option. This is your entry point to all personal settings. Click Account to open your account area. If you aren't already signed in, you may see a prompt to do so before you can continue. Being signed in ensures the information you save is tied to your profile. Inside your account area, choose My Details. This section gathers the essentials related to your profile, orders, and save preferences. From here, locate and click Payment Methods. This is where all save payment options are listed and where you can add a new one. Next, click Add. This begins the process of saving a payment method to your account. You'll be asked to select the type of payment method you want to add. Choose the option that matches what you plan to use, such as a typical card or another supported method shown on the screen. After selecting the type, you'll arrive at the form to enter the details of your chosen payment method. Carefully type in the requested information, which usually includes the card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code, along with any required billing address fields. Enter everything exactly as it appears with your provider. Accuracy matters here. Mismatched names, addresses, or numbers can cause errors later at checkout. Take a moment to double check for small typos before you proceed. Confirm that the web address is the official Zara site and that your browser shows a secure connection. As a best practice, never share your payment details over unsecured networks or in messages outside the site. When you've completed the form and reviewed it, follow the on-screen prompt to finalize adding the payment method. You should see a confirmation or your new payment method appearing in the Payment Methods list. From now on, it will be available to select during checkout, which can save time and reduce repeated data entry. That's it. You've successfully saved a payment method on Zara. If you ever need to review or update it, return to the same payment methods section within your account. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a smoother checkout experience.